Let us understand different type of cloud service model. Majorly we can categorize into these four categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, anything as service. In short, we used to call it as Iaas, PaaS, SaaS and XaaS. Let us see one after the other with a quick introduction. In infrastructure as a service, we will be getting infrastructure as a service from the cloud. Simple example, I may get a compute as an infrastructure service or a database as an infrastructure. I can get any number of database that I want, or I may get a storage as the service. A huge, whatever the storage capacity that I want, I can get it from the cloud. Or I may get a network. The entire virtual private cloud we can create within the cloud. The entire network we can get it as a service. So whatever the infrastructure that is required to establish my IT requirement, I can establish it within the cloud. Either it could be compute, storage or network. Any infrastructure requirement, it can be satisfied within the Iaas. On top of the infrastructure that we have received from the cloud, I can have any platform or any software I want, I can install. When it comes to PaaS, already the infrastructure would be customized to install the required platform on top of it. All the configurations would be predefined. Simple example, I may have a platform, for example, like a .NET platform or a Tomcat platform. The entire platform would be provided. I don't need to worry about doing the configuration or updating the patches to the platform. The entire platform would be ready-made available and I will not have control on the underlying infrastructure. All that would be the responsibility of the service provider when it comes to the PaaS. When it comes to the SaaS, on top of the platform, the required software would be installed, auto-scaling all the required configurations would be configured. Very simple example, Office 365 is a very good example for software as a service. Whenever I want the service of the software Office 365, all I need is subscribe to the model and pay for the service I wanted to use. I will not have any control on the underlying platform or underlying infrastructure. I will not have the control, and the SaaS would be providing the requirement, and I can get whatever the account that I want, I can get it from the SaaS. Office 365 or the email that we are getting it from the Gmail, all are very good example for SaaS. Like this, we can get different type of services. For example, MongoDB as a service or firewall as a service, machine learning as a service. Nowadays, cloud is providing anything as a service. So whatever the commitment they are making, that they will be providing it as a service, and I can pay only for what service I am using it within the cloud. It could be infrastructure or a platform or a service, or it could be anything.